Hey there, this is Shane from Greenstone Services. Hope that you guys are having a great day today. This is going to be a product review on a Zhiyun Crane, specifically the Crane Plus. Is this something that's going to help you out in making videos? Or can you do the same thing handheld? Is it something worth spending your money on? Let's find out.
As I have gotten back into creating again, I have fallen in love with B-roll. First I tried using a glide cam, but let's be honest, that wasn't for me, and unless you're a Jedi Knight like Maddie Hapoya, learning to use a glide cam device can have a small learning curve, and it can prove to be extremely frustrating. Now, isn't that nice? Look at how well this thing is packed. When I first purchased the Zhiyun Crane Plus, I purchased it in a kit. Instead of just getting the gimbal, its batteries, and a charger, I got additionally the tripod stand, some rubber grips, cables, and this nice pelican-like case. You should figure out what focal length you're going to be shooting at first. Make sure that you remove any straps or lens caps away from the camera before you use the provided thumb screw to attach your camera to the mounted plate. Once balanced on the first point, you will see your camera will gently return to home, and you can move on to the second balancing point. On the second balance point, you want it to be about 90 degrees away from the first balance point, like this. And on the third one, it's not as tricky as it sounds in the literature. Just simply hold the gimbal away from you in a horizontal fashion, and when you can get the main motor, which is the last balancing point, to match up with balancing point number 2 in the way that it's supposed to be, they'll form a straight line horizontally away from the ground. Once you get these three taken care of, simply set the gimbal back on its provided tripod that came with the kit, and at this point I will check one last time the balance on the first balancing point, and then gently flip the screen if my camera has one, so that I can see what I'm going to be shooting.
Now the question begs, would owning one of these turn you into Peter McKinnon, Maddie Hapoya, or Casey Neistat? Probably not so much. But if you happen to have some back issues, or if you drink too much coffee and you're shaky all the time, you might find that this kind of device will bring things to you and allow you to do things that you never thought that you could do.
In conclusion about the Crane Plus, the motors are real smooth, they feel wonderful, the construction is nice. I haven't once felt like I was going to accidentally break the unit if I fell, or by unscrewing and screwing the battery compartment together. It's a nice touch having the Panasonic and Sony cables to connect your camera to the gimbal, and then as the Plus name suggests, it does have more functionality than just being a gimbal that has some controls for your camera. It supports via Bluetooth being connected to a smart device so you can perform object tracking or programmed movements. Thank you so very much for watching. Let me know if you'd want to see the extended features of the Zhiyun Crane Plus by giving a thumbs up or leaving a comment down in the description below. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. I'd love to see you in the next video. This has been Shane from Greenstone Services. Have a great day.